Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. I am Tanisha Renee, and you're probably wondering why I'm so close to the camera. Well, before we get started, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then that bell button so you won't miss when I make a new upload. And then let's just jump into the video. I said in another video that I did my like everyday makeup look. I'm not really I like makeup, but I can't say that I'm like the greatest at doing it. So I basically said that I don't fill in my eyebrows. As you can see, I have full eyebrows, and this isn't even the half of it, but my eyebrows are full. I really don't fill them in because I do like my natural brows, and I don't feel like I want to fill them in. What I do is I shape them up and I thin them out. So in this video, that's what we're going to do. What I do first is I wet my brows. So I do have some water using my spoolie brush. Wet my spoolie. And if you see me, I'm just going to be looking at my mirror. So basically, I'm wetting them and I'm going to spoolie them upward. All I use is this Annie's eyebrow brush, or like hair trimmer. Basically, I'm just going to take this and I'm going to go upward and just trim those ends off. It's like a razored comb, pretty much just combing the ends off. And I'm trying not to hold it at an angle because I want it to just trim the ends of my hair. And I'm just going to go right in the middle and go straight down. Just make sure your unibrow is non-existent. Then I'm just going to take my little t-shirt here and dust off the excess hairs. And I'm just going to spoolie them up again just to see if I need to take any excess hair off. And I'm just going to spoolie them into the shape that I want. And basically I want a slight arch, but I didn't lose any of the thickness that I want. I just trimmed the eyebrows down so it thins them out. And then basically what you're going to do at this point is you're just going to brush your hairs in the front upward and then over, and then the hairs in the middle upwards and then over, up, and then down. And that's what I do with that side, and I'm going to do the same on this side. So up and then over, up, over, up, and then downward in an angle. Take that same trimmer, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go downward, and this is giving me the angle or the shape that I want my eyebrows to be. Go underneath. I'm just going to go upwards, and I'm just tapping upwards. And then in this section, I'm just going to trim down those hairs, because what I'm doing is trying to give myself a slight arch. Grab my spoolie it out, down, and that is just how I want my eyebrows to be. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. And eyebrows should be sisters, not twins, but they shouldn't either be cousins. Eyebrows don't match. This is what my eyebrows look like when I am completely finished. And I'm just going to take some vitamin E oil and I'm just going to drip that, just one little drop on my spoolie. Spoolie my hairs. Do get dry skin underneath my eyebrows. After I've spoolied them up, just going to take the end of my spoolie and just shape them off. That, guys, is how I do my eyebrows and clean them up. So I really hope you like this video. It is going to be super short, but basically for the ladies that got eyebrows, you know, sometimes we don't want to fill them in. We just like to get them cleaned up, or we like to get them threaded or waxed, but sometimes we don't have that coin to spend at the time. So basically using two items, your spoolie and then your Annie's eyebrow razor, you can get cute lined up eyebrows. And if you want to, you can always follow one of those templates, but for the most part, I don't use a template at all. I just go by making sure that they're even, same length. Sometimes one is a little bit thicker than the other, but that's because one grows faster than the other. But that is how I do my eyebrows. And I really hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and comment below if you've ever done your eyebrows at home, or if you want to try it, or do you get them waxed, do you get them threaded? So let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.